Hello, in this video, we will be demonstrating how to utilize the new AI Ready report as part of the GB Longevity 100 genetic testing suite. This AI report is optimized for ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude, but you can use with any AI tool of your choice. All prompts and instructions are included in the PDF report. The chatbot will be able to read it and enable bidirectional interpretation of the report. So let's get started by logging into your provider portal. Go to gbhealthwatch.com/gbinsight and click the sign in button for healthcare providers. Once you are signed in, go to the View Reports tab. Open a report by clicking on Report Ready. Click on the red PDF icon in the upper right corner. Select Longevity 100 AI Ready Report to begin the download. The first page of the AI Ready report includes instructions on how to upload the report to the AI tool, which we will do now. Open a new window with your preferred AI chatbot. In this instructional video, we will be using ChatGPT. Click on the plus sign to add a file. Select the PDF we just downloaded and submit. We can see that it takes a few seconds to a minute to fully analyze the document and instructions. Let's go through the results. First, we see a quick summary of the different sections. There's a longevity profile, a health insights section, and finally an action plan. You can ask simple questions like, what are the top 3 genetic risks? Or you can ask more detailed questions such as, how does this genetic variant impact risk of disease? Read through the report and note any areas you may have additional questions about. For example, in this report, we see an ApoE variant identified that puts this patient at increased risk of Alzheimer's disease and heart disease. You can ask, what lifestyle modifications can mitigate the risk of Alzheimer's disease in people carrying this variant? You can also ask, how can I optimize my diet based on genetic risk? You'll get personalized recommendations based on the genetic findings in the report. Please note that the information provided is for educational purposes only and does not diagnose a disease or replace medical advice. When you are done with this session, you will need to open a new AI chat window to analyze a new patient's report. That way, the AI tool can read and analyze the instructions separately. Thank you for watching.